Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts and off-road adventurers. If you've been waiting for the moment when heritage collides with cutting-edge technology, when old-school toughness meets modern performance, then this is it. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the most talked-about reveals in the off-road world, the all-new 2027 Toyota FJ40. You've seen the rumors, you've heard the leaks, but now we're looking at the visual reality of a machine that feels like Toyota finally decided to remind everyone who built the off-road rulebook in the first place. The title says it all: classic style, modern muscle. Old meets new in the best way possible. A sharp LED strip runs across the top like a focused brow, while the main headlights sit lower, angular and intense. It feels equal parts cyberpunk and safari truck, futuristic but still purpose-built. One glance tells you this thing means business. Below that, the bumper setup confirms Toyota's intentions. This isn't decorative plastic. It's a high-clearance, heavy-duty unit with a factory-integrated winch. Red recovery hooks and solid shackle mounts make it clear this FJ is meant to be used, not babied. The boxy fender flares are wide and functional, finished in matte black cladding that contrasts perfectly with the metallic silver-gray paint. And then there are the wheels. Those bronze gold alloys are an inspired choice, giving a strong nod to the off-road aftermarket scene. Wrapped in aggressive mud-terrain tires with massive sidewall tread, they look ready to bite into rocks, sand, or anything else you point them at. Now let's step inside, because the cabin is where this FJ really shows how far it's come. The interior is no longer bare metal simple, but it hasn't lost its rugged soul. This is a command center, not a luxury lounge. Toyota strikes a smart balance between digital tech and physical controls, and thankfully, there's still a real gear shifter. When you're clawing your way out of deep mud or crawling over rocks, tactile feedback matters. The center console is tall and wide, featuring a rotary selector likely tied to multi-terrain select and crawl control modes, keeping off-road capability right at your fingertips. A large floating infotainment screen dominates the dash, expected to run Toyota's latest system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dedicated off-road mapping. Behind the wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster displays pitch and roll angles, tire pressure, and hybrid system data. The steering wheel itself is thick, leather-wrapped, and packed with controls, so your hands never leave the wheel on technical terrain. The seats, finished in a two-tone gray and black, look tough yet comfortable, likely water-resistant and easy to clean after a hard weekend outdoors. Now let's talk about the modern muscle part. While official specs aren't confirmed, all signs point towards Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. That likely means a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine paired with electric motors, delivering instant low-end torque, perfect for rock crawling, while still offering respectable efficiency on the road. Expect numbers potentially north of 320 horsepower and around 465 pound-feet of torque. There's even a strong chance of a plug-in hybrid variant, allowing for silent electric off-roading deep in nature. Structurally, this FJ looks rock solid. Thick pillars, a flat roofline, and a contrasting white roof, a classic FJ detail, maximize interior space while reflecting heat, just like the originals. It's clear the designers respected the lineage. This 2027 FJ40 slots perfectly as a smaller, hardcore sibling to the Land Cruiser lineup. It challenges the Wrangler on capability, the Bronco on style, and brings Toyota's legendary reliability into the fight. So the big question is this: is the 2027 FJ40 the ultimate retro-modern 4x4? Based on these visuals, it has the style, the tech, and the muscle to back it up. Let me know what you think. Do you love the aggressive front end? Are the gold wheels a win or a swap? And if this hits showrooms in 2027, are you trading in your current rig? If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay locked in for more off-road future reveals. Thanks for watching. Keep the shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one.